Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday edition. Saturday edition, April the 30th, 2022. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. Uh, First, I will solve the letter Sudoku. Well, this will be number 4486. And before I start, I always count the printed letters in this case. 27 printed letters. And for letter Sudoku, I need a little bit more time than a puzzle with 27 printed digits. With digits, it's easier. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, letter Sudoku, 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve. And those letters I can use are the letters I, the C, the M, the D, the T, the U, the K, the R, and the S. And the goal is to solve this word in this column. Alright. So let's get started. A T in this column, a T in the third column, so the column between. The second column, though, need two places left for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there, T should be there. C in the last column, C in the column next, so that column, no, need place left for the C should be there. So now we have in this big square 4 missing letters. Two of those missing letters are the T and the D. We have a T and a D in this row, so no T and D in these two boxes. The T and the D goes in those two boxes as a pair. T and a D, T and a D. We have a T there, no T there. T should be here. And the D goes there. So two missing letters now in this big square. For the letters U is missing and the S is missing. U and S, U and S. We have a U there in this column. So no U there, U should be here. And the S goes there. Then. Now, we have an M in this column. M in the column next, so the last column, no, only two places left for the M, should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there, M should be here. Okay. Three missing letters now in this column. One of the missing letter in this column is the letter D. We have a D in this big square, so no D in these two boxes. So the D should be here. Now we have two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the K and the I. The K and I. K and I, we have a K there, so no K there. K should be here. And the I goes there. And the solution here is drumstick. Drumstick, yeah. In Dutch, if you translate in Dutch, it's drumstick. If you translate this in English, yeah, it's a drumstick. But we have two meanings for drumsticks. Chicken leg is also a drumstick. Yeah. Chicken leg. Alright, let me continue. So I've solved this in 4 minutes. Easy one. Alright. We have a T in the last column. T in the column next. So in that column, no need two places left for the T should be here or there. You see that T, no T there. T should be here. I in this column. I in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the I should be here. Then let me see. Yeah. So two missing letters now in this column. Those missing letters in this column are the letters U is missing and the S is missing. U and S, U and S. We have a S there. No S there. S should be here and the U goes there. One box left in this big square. For the letter R is missing. Yeah, the R. So we have a D in this row, D in the last row, so no row between, only two places left for D, should be here or there, we see there D, no D there, D should be there. D in the first column, D in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places left for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be here. K in this row. K in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the K should be here. S in the last row, S in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the S should be there. Two missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the U is missing. I and the U, I and the U. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the U goes there. Alright. 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 Then. Yeah. Come on. S in this row. S in the middle row. So no row below. The only two places left for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, no S there. S should be here. Yeah, three missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters is the K in this row. We have a K there, so no K there. Here, K, no K there. The only place left for the K should be there. Then. Let me see. Three missing letters in this column. One of the missing letter in this column is the letter M. We have an M there, so no M there. Here an M in the first row, so no M there. The only place left for the M should be here. Two missing letters. In this column, those missing letters are the T is missing and a K is missing. T and a K, T and a K. We have a K in this big square, so no K in this box. So one box left for the K should be here. And the T goes there, of course. Yeah. Alright. So we have an M in this row. M in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M, the M should be here. Yeah. Cannot continue with M. Cannot continue with M. But we have a T in this column, T in the middle column. So the column next down, need two places left for the T should be here or there. We see there T, no T there, T should be here. And all the T's are used. I can see. Letter number one, letter T. Yeah. D in this row, D in this middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the D should be there. D in this first row, D in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left for the D should be here. Oh, there we see that D, no D there, D should be here. And all the D's are used. I can see. Letter number two, letter D. One box left in this row for letter U. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters I is missing and the C is missing. I and a C, I and a C. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here. And the I goes there. One box left in this row for the letter U. And I in this column, I in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the I should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter M is missing. Two missing letters in this big square for letters M is missing and the R is missing. M and R, M and R. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here and the R goes there. Yeah. Then. Two missing letters in the last row. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the C is missing. I and the C, I and C. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here. And the I goes there. So now we have two missing letters in this big square for letters. U is missing and the R is missing. U and R. Cannot fill this yet. U and the R. How about these two missing letters in this column? Those missing letters are the S is missing and the U is missing. S and the U. Cannot fill this yet. These two should be the S is missing and the K is missing. KS. How about these two in this big square? R is missing and the C is missing. R and the C. Well, still cannot fill this yet. How about those two big letters? The R is missing and the U is missing. R and the U. R and the U. Let me mark those. Oh, we have a U there. No U there. U should be here and the R goes there. Alright, so we have a U in the third column, U in the first column. So the column between the second column, now only two places left for U for the, could be here or there. We see there U, no U there, U should be here. Now we have a U here. I've marked those two boxes with the S and the U. Now we have a U there, so this box can't be U anymore. That box should be a U, and this box should be an S. Now we have S here, so this box can't be S anymore. That box should be an S, and this box should be a K. K in the first row, K in the second row. So in the third row, only two places left for the K should be here or there. We see then K, no K there, K should be here. Two missing letters, the R and the C in this row. R and the C. We have a R there, no R there. R should be here, and the C goes there. One box left in this big square for the letter C. One box left in the second row for the letter. I believe the S is missing. Yes, S. And the final two numbers, letters in this big square. The letters I and the R. I and R. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here, and the R goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Told you between 50 and 20 minutes I need for solving a letter Sudoku. And I like this one, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2 stars Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.